Here is how to add a welcome message in Gusto. Start from your Gusto account homepage. Since you are already signed in, look to the left-hand menu and click People. This opens the area where employee records and onboarding details are managed. After that page loads, click the Onboarding tab to move into the section for team members who are going through the onboarding process. From the Onboarding tab, find and select the team member you want to add the welcome message for. Make sure you open the correct profile before continuing, especially if you manage more than one person at the same time. Once you are on that team member's profile page, scroll if needed until you see the additional section. In that section, click Notes. This opens the Notes area for that employee profile. In the upper right corner, click Add Note. A note window will appear so you can enter the message and choose how it should be categorized. In the note field, type your welcome message. You can enter the full message exactly as you want it to appear in the employee record. Keep your wording clear and appropriate for internal reference, since this note will stay attached to the team member's profile. After entering the message, move to the category dropdown, open it and select the category that fits your note. If none of the listed options apply, you can leave the category set to ungramenting. That works if you just want to record the welcome message without placing it into a more specific note type. Next, review and complete the remaining note settings shown in the window. The exact options can vary based on what is available in your account, so use the fields provided and make the selections required there. Once those settings are complete, save the note to add it to the team member's record. After saving, stay on the Notes page and confirm that the new note appears in the list. This final check matters because it shows the note was stored successfully and attached to the correct employee profile. If you do not see it right away, give the page a moment to refresh and then look again in the Notes list. With the welcome message now added and visible on the Notes page, the process in Gusto is complete. Thanks for watching. Your welcome message is now saved as a note on the selected team member's Notes page.